Alright, to remove double-sided strong sticky tape from your wall without leaving any scratch mark, you need to heat this slotted turner on cooktop burner and keep heating it until it's become really hot. As you can see on your screen, I'm going to wait till it gets really hot. So once it's get hot, you will see what I'm gonna do. Alright, it's hot enough now. So on the wall, you just put on the side of this sticky tape, and without leaving a scratch mark, it will come out. And the rest of the... Alright, so this is the way you're gonna do the other one. And these tapes were really strong. It was holding a wall art, and I managed to get rid of it without leaving any scratch marks. Some of the scratch mark you might see on the wall, it's because I didn't do it this way. I was just trying to take it out without this slotted turner. So this way you can be able to take this double-sided sticky tape out from your wall without leaving any scratch marks.